What's happening, everyone? Brandon Hofer here from the Online Coach Creator. Today I wanted to jump in, make a quick video for you, give you my favorite productivity hack. In other words, how do you get more done in less time while at the same time getting done the things that actually matter and actually move your business forward. So today I'm going to share with you the concept of bridge time. Now, bridge time is a concept that was introduced to me years ago. And it's really simple and straightforward, but as with all things simple, not easy, right? It's the application of it that actually makes the difference, that actually moves your business forward. So the concept of bridge time is simply that you block off a chunk of time, usually 60 or 90 minutes, put it on your calendar. Okay, I guess maybe that's the first hack, is if you aren't like actually keeping a calendar, it's probably time to start doing that. Okay, I use Google Calendar, it's free, it's awesome, keeps me super organized. So, blocking off a 60 to 90 minute chunk, preferably early in the day. Now, this is not true across the board, but for most people, there's that spark of creativity in the morning, and you want to capture that. Now, the idea with this time block is use it for something that moves your business forward in the long-term strategic approach, because we know that once your day starts and you start chatting with clients and you start prospecting online and you start doing all these other like nitty-gritty tasks that are a necessary part of running your business, typically that puts you in like the short game mode, which is necessary, right? Like, we're dealing with client issues today, we're dealing with the website went down, we're dealing with customer support, whatever the case may be, we're dealing with all these things that are like immediate. The idea of bridge time is intentionally carve out a chunk of time early in the day where you choose to focus on the longer term play. Here's one example. This is what I'm actually doing right now. I'm finally writing my book. So I said, hey, listen, before I do anything else that's still related to my business and still good and healthy, before I do anything else, I have to sit down and write for at least 15 minutes. Now, that 15 minutes, I made it manageable, right? Because that 15 minutes ends up turning into usually about 60 to 90 minutes. So every single day, I'm intentionally carving out, this is my bridge time. And for me right now, the expression of that is I'm gonna spend some time writing my book, because that doesn't create any revenue right now. It's probably gonna be like a couple months down the road before that starts generating leads, making me money, all the fun benefits of having that book. But if I didn't make the time to do it now, it would just never happen. So real quick, just for your own application, for your own exercise, just think about your own business, like what's going on right now, and what is one thing that is high level, strategic, that's a long-term play that you've been neglecting, that you haven't done recently, but you know you should, and you know that you would like to. Right when you're done watching this video, go block that off in your calendar. Just put a 60-minute chunk in there every morning that says bridge time. I don't care what time of day it happens, as long as it's before you jumping into all your other nitty-gritty tasks, okay? If you start with answering emails, serving customers, prospecting online, group coaching, whatever it is that you do early-ish in your daily rhythm, make sure you block off that chunk before that happens, and then show up, fulfill that action, whatever it might be, okay? It could be writing a book. It could be making a video series and starting your own YouTube channel. It could be finally getting around to fill in the blank. It's that thing that you know you should have done a while ago, but because it's not giving you an immediate return, just naturally, you've been hesitating, you've been delaying. So, time to stop delaying, get back on the wagon, carve out that bridge time for yourself and make it happen. Click below to subscribe. More videos. We're gonna get short little bursts of inspiration, motivation like this one, and we're gonna get longer videos that are gonna dig in deep to every element of designing, launching, and growing your online coaching business. We'll catch you next time.